guys, well, let's see here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my channel. This video is different. This is peace, this is serenity, calmness, nature certainly at its best. This is Ras Natango. Yes, actually, that's the name of the business. Ras Natango, in the hills of St. James, Camrose to be exact. I've been here for about 2 hours just enjoying the scenery, the birds and the bees and the lizards and the trees, and I've been enjoying it. I've also had a walk with the man himself, Ras Natango, and I did a little interview with him. I'm going to share both with you right now. Stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos.
This is not one of those excitement trip.
No, it's
one
about
of
the
those
nature.
places. It's a place about reconnecting with nature.
Yes, yes.
And just getting a chance.
And a good job at it, man.
To exceed.
Excellent work, excellent work.
Thank you, thank you.
Excellent. What is this one?
Hydrangea.
Hydrangea. Let me take a picture of that one. It's beautiful. What about this one?
Canterbury bells.
Canterbury bells.
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 Yeah, look at this. Minnow and lace.
Oh,
look at this. Look at that. Feel that.
Ooh.
Feel real.
Yeah.
Feel artificial.
Yes.
East Indian mango trees.
This one here?
Yeah. Which I
East
planted.
Indian, guys. Okay.
And you can see this wall stacked.
Yeah.
The terraces. This place, when I bought it, was a cliff.
Yeah.
Didn't know.
Wow.
Because it was a jungle when I bought it.
Yes, yes.
After we cleared the land, this is how we discovered. See? Solid rock.
Yeah.
I see the cliff face
Yeah.
to the wall.
Yeah.
All like great pieces broken off and
Oh.
big boulders and just rocks.
Whoa.
So,
Well, you did some magic, man.
well, I did the best I could to give my wife a garden.
What is this one called?
Sun Vanda.
Sun Vanda.
Yeah, at the time.
Okay, and this is like a shark.
This is a rock that we left there. Looked at it, thought it looked like a shark.
You left
Did
it.
a shark.
Ah.
Teeth.
Ah.
It's part of the whole natural landscape.
Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful.
We make our own soil by composting. So it's an ecotourism place.
Ooh.
So every morning when the garden is cleaned and all the stuff that leaves and branches, everything is just piled on. Over time they decompose and you can just get beautiful soil below, right below.
Oh, okay. Okay. Lettuce fern. Wow. Okay.
Step. Animals in the garden like this, looking like a turtle coming out from under the rock. So we just painted over an old tile is create a plant out of
Good, good.
it. See? Create the beds by building these little rock edges and then filling it up with compost to create the beds that you see.
Wow.
The flowers growing in.
Nice.
Another rock I didn't move, change it to painted a lion.
Lion rock.
A lion, yeah.
Yeah.
Some way, Thunbergia flowers here.
What is this one?
Thunbergia. Steel.
Pustil.
Yeah.
So, what is it?
A sundial tells the time between 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening. Needs a repaint too. But you have to have the sunlight on it for it to cast a shadow. Tell you the time.
Oh.
Pretty accurate to within 3 to 5 minutes of the correct time.
Really?
Yes. Where we started composting. And look at the beautiful soil that's below there. That was alright, let's look at the beautiful soil because we've been harvesting.
Yes, yes, yes. Is there anything you do special apart from just pouring and just putting the
Nothing.
nothing, just leave it?
Just put pile together, just make sure it's aerated. You put branches, leaves, leaves.
Yes, yes.
So you have some air spaces.
Wow, okay, great.
Nature does the rest.
Great.
These are some plantains.
Tell me something, my brother. This plant here,
Euphorbia.
we call it, because we call it the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree or snow on the mountain.
Snow on the mountain, okay. So it's
white
at
December.
December, Christmas time.
Yeah, it changed it back now.
Oh, so the correct name is
Euphorbia.
Euphobia. Oh, beautiful. Bachelor's button.
Yeah.
Bachelor's button. Beautiful.
And these are globe amaranths. They're scattered all over the place because they've actually become wild.
Okay.
Ras Natango, Datura, or Angel's Trumpet.
Angel's trumpet.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This is gungo peas here.
Yes.
And red pepper.
Yes, my wife. This area we usually put in some veggie. So we're going to clear it up and put in some corn in it.
All right.
But this when we bought the property, this was the oldest tree on the property. And this remains, what's left of it remains of an almond tree.
Oh, it's an almond.
Yeah, it's very large. But in 2003, Hurricane Ivan broke it.
Yeah.
It was hollow, so it was dying.
Yeah.
We realized we would have lost it. This is just what's left of it. But after that happened in 2003, I said to my wife, we should pay tribute to it for the years it has seen.
Yeah.
And so we came up with the idea of creating this fairies village among the roots of it to give us some reasons to come back and look at it.
Yes.
So we did this from like 2004. We put in this, we started collecting fairies and created this little village. Since we have opened it up into a business, kids when they come here, they love it.
Ah, nice.
You know, they take pieces, they walk with them, they are, So make it interactive. What up?
Oh, nice.
Toys that our son used to play with.
Yes, everybody. Okay.
Another area. This is again another kid area.
Yeah.
That they can when it's dry and they can take the pieces, make their own Jurassic setup and play right here.
Okay.
So you can also have actually used cement in some of these walls.
Oh.
The rest of the walls are dry walls.
Okay.
It's just using nature as it is. See the rocks, natural rocks.
Yeah.
So couldn't take out different levels to come up on it. Bet you didn't know there was a restroom out in the garden?
Ah, I didn't know that.
There we put a painted bamboo avenue on it to just kind of disguise it. So when you're sitting out at the juice bar,
you would never know.
If you look, you think there's a road that's going on. When you go back there, look, you think there's another place to go.
Awesome.
So that's what I did. Up here, lots of big bromeliads, the big ones, Queen Acmeas.
This one, what's the name of this one?
Queen Acmea.
Queen Acmea.
Yeah. And then the rainbow bromeliads there, and look at the globe amaranth, so they're just scattered all over there, the little white balls.
Yes.
Really, some other bromeliads there, we put faces on some of our trees. Call attention to them.
Yes.
Because trees are important.
Yeah.
As tall as they are is as deep as the roots go.
Oh, really?
So they are holding this ground together.
Oh.
So when a hurricane destroys them, we lose, you lose support. You get erosion coming.
Yeah.
Aloe vera right there.
This one?
Yeah, those are aloe vera.
It looks different from the one I know.
This is Cinco. This is the Jamaican aloe vera.
This one?
Yes, Cinco Bible.
Cinco Bible, Jamaican aloe vera. Yeah.
These are Bermudan.
Oh, but it's the same thing.
It's pretty. It's same properties.
Same properties.
Spots on it.
Okay, and one looks a little bit more robust.
Why we have more of the Bermudan ones? Because they bloom more often than the Jamaican one. Jamaican one will take 2 years to bloom. Oh. The Bermudan one will bloom twice a year.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful blooms.
Oh, nice.
These are wild irises, right?
Wild irises here, guys. Now, what is this one again?
These are cosmos.
Cosmos.
Yes, and they too have made themselves wild. We brought the first set here, and then they
they blow up.
Yes. Very aggressive.
Yeah. Lychee. This is lychee.
Lychee, yes. And it has borne. This is our herb garden. Garlic. Garlic chive.
What is what? Garlic?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's garlic chive.
Oh, so garlic is grown under here.
Underground, the bulb, yeah.
Oh, the bulb. Okay, cool. I didn't know that.
Oregano.
So
we stop here and give our guests a chance to smell the herbs them and break pieces and give them peppermint. See the bloom of the aloe vera, that one dried up. We have rosemary, all the different herbs that we grow in,
nice.
which we use in our kitchen when we're cooking for our guests.
Yeah, and this is this one again.
Peppermint.
Yeah. What is this one? Is this something?
This is an alamander. It's a flora. It's a flower.
Flower, okay.
Yeah, yellow alamander.
Oh, but I'm impressed though. I didn't know this is garlic. So the garlic is like a. Yeah, nice.
This little area.
What is this? Is this something? Is that flower as well?
That's a wild asparagus fern. These are wild. They're ferns. Some of them have thorns on them.
Okay.
Pause for a moment. It says the world encourage you to show Mother Earth some love.
Yes,
Who is in great need of it, so give the world a hug. And
Boy,
leave your mark. So
jeez.
I need to rebuild this around it again.
Yes, yeah.
Because but we stop for a moment and give Mother Earth a hug.
Wow.
So our guests love to do that, have their picture taken.
Yeah, man. Parsley, which one is the parsley?
This is parsley right here.
Parsley.
Fresh parsley and
Fresh parsley, cool.
and then we have rosemary there.
Yeah, rosemary, yeah, yeah.
This is the seed. This is the root of a cedar tree that fell down. Looked and it looked like a fish, so we painted a fish. All we did was put eyes and put paint.
Yeah.
Put it here. See? Stop for a minute there.
Yes, nice, nice.
Then we're going up here. Watch your step. We have to work around with nature. So this is the oldest John property now. So we're giving it the grandfather's face.
Grandfather's face. All right. Cool. This is a cedar tree.
Cedar. Yeah.
Nice.
Didn't build this. This wasn't our intention to have a business here.
Yeah.
To turn this into a business. It's because of people who requested us to
Oh,
open it.
nice, nice.
So we did that.
Nice.
Barbecue we have right here.
Another flower. Oh, this is rose.
Yes, these are miniature roses right there.
Okay.
These are begonias coming into bloom now.
Okay, cool.
White begonias.
White begonias.
Yeah. Rhino grass.
Rhino grass.
The vine thunbergia or sky vine. So the shrub one down there. This is the vine one, the vine version.
What is this one?
Green anthurium.
This one. Oh, this.
Tiny little flower here. It's dried up, I know.
Oh.
Hybrid hibiscus there.
Hibiscus, guys. Brazilian red cloak.
Yes, native to South America. Cat whiskers, those white flowers there.
This one here?
Yeah, cat whiskers. This is not our optimum blooming time. Spring into summer.
Okay.
You know, and you almost see everything.
Wow, wow, wow. I can imagine.
Look, that's that old bloom of an Amazonian zebra bramley. You can see.
What is this one?
This is coleus. We have a variety of them, or we call Joseph coat.
Okay. Joseph coat.
Yeah.
We call this Pharaoh's head.
So I have a Japanese koi pond here. We have koi fish swimming around. A couple of small ones, a couple of big ones in there. They like to hide on.
Oh, these are big. It's a big one here. Big one here.
These are black kois. Black koi. So I guess to relax in this area, you are spending time with us. So there are hammocks there, 2 hammocks. We have, you can just sit back there and it's time to fall asleep. But, so we do that.
Lovely.
You can take your bowls up here. We set it up like a little chapel. Take these out and we set it up, decorate it nicely, put in chairs like a little chapel. And we've done several. We've done maybe about 10 or 11 different weddings.
Weddings here? Oh,
yeah,
nice.
here. Careful, let's pass this by. The tiger, you can see.
Tiger, yep.
It looks just look like the face of a tiger, so we painted it. But again, as I say, I have to climb up to when the time gets dried better, less rain.
So you do the painting? Or
Yeah, I did that. I did the lion, I did the shark.
Oh, wow.
So my son did the pharaoh. Strangling fig tree. Look at the size of the orchid gone up. Sunband, how far up it's gone.
Ooh.
It's not a cave, it's just a place that I found guests climbing up to go peek underneath to see what was there, see if bats or anything.
Yeah.
So I kind of just built some steps to go in. Go up and you can go take a look. People want to take a picture and so on. My wife decorated an arch over it. So
nice.
it's a nice little picture spot.
Yes.
There's some orchids up there also. We have the salvia here. Beautiful cultivated fern called Selaginella. Selaginella, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Another heritage site, another miniature. The Giddy House, I don't know if you know everything in Port Royal.
Yes.
There you go, just from something I remember from childhood. again, not a, well now Port Royal is going to get visitors. It will get the fame that it deserves.
Yeah.
I used to play there as a child, so.
Oh, you were there? You went there?
I was born and raised in Kingston. These are largest bromeliads, fire bromeliads.
Fire bromeliads. Sorry, this one is what again?
Fire. Those are anthuriums.
Anthuriums, okay.
That's the regular one.
Yes, yes.
These are purple, these are old. Look, this is what they look like when they're coming out. This one is just coming out. Hasn't even unfurled as yet. It's beautiful purple. These are old blues.
Yeah.
You have a tricolor one there.
This one here?
Yeah, up there. Three colors.
Nice, nice.
You have a double petal right here. Double petals, two petals. This one. That's just birds up there. It's like bald beads.
Yeah. Guys, here you have some bird in the background there.
It's a bird's paradise here.
Yes. Nice.
You can sit and feed. You can feed the hummingbirds. You can sit and watch anywhere from 10 to 12 different species of our birds.
Oh. So what? You're fighting up there now for territory.
Territory. Here. So I help her create them. Door of faith, the fairy door of faith. You never know where the road takes you.
Yeah.
What lies beyond the bend. So
Yes, yes. I see you guys. What are you upstream tonight? Obviously.
Corkscrew fern, snake plant.
Sorry,
Snake plant. Yeah, it's a fancy there. These are wild begonias anyway. You see them, they're growing wild there and then they get to the air, so they grow. They just come into bloom too. They're all pink. See it? This is a crystal that we found. This is a fairy hat or colary. And then pieces of crystal that were found on the property. And my wife decided to build a crystal garden with it.
Ah.
Put them in there.
Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. A crystal garden.
Sometimes you just dig in and you hit a piece or something and it comes up and it's a piece of crystal.
Yes, yes.
Up here she wanted to have a special prayer. This is the Zen garden. This for, you know, special for prayer and quiet reflection, meditation. So you can come on up. You have a bench, you have places to sit. You have, we put yoga mats on them, you can sit on the stools there and the bench and on the seats. You can get candles to light or incense. It's a place you can just sit in quiet reflection, as I said, prayer, meditation. Rocks again behind you, absolutely towering and strong. This is at the face of the cliff there. Over here used to be another compost, but after we did the meditation area here, I decided didn't want people sitting there looking at rotting leaves while they're in prayer and meditation. So I played chess, so I put a chess board there. I'm not very good at it though, don't take my word there. The pieces I had to change. I've just matched it. I put in the Jamaican flag colors. It used to be in purple and yellow, but it's not going to be in our Jamaican flag colors. So I'm just trying to complete the pieces.
Okay.
It still needs a repaint again.
Okay.
And having some heavy rain washing. Because
Yes. You know, this looks almost like a face or
it
something.
is, we call him Valentino. I just didn't even point him out, but that's Valentino's face.
Valentino's face. Yes, man, it does. It actually does really look like
He
Valentino.
has an ear.
Yeah.
Look, the natural ear. Look at that.
Yes.
Look, that's a natural ear.
Yes, yes.
Right in the right spot, right?
Yes,
on that-
yes,
on the
yes,
eyes.
yes, yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Nature is marvelous.
Yeah.
Step to the side. Two fever grass or lemongrass.
Of course, beautiful views in the over there. Wow, wow. So this is, according to Ras Natango, this is a wishing well. It was a demand of his customers that he needed to have a wishing well here, so he constructed one here, you know. So this is a wishing well, Rolly's wishing well, named after a guest. Oh, actually, here, there you go. Named after a guest from Canada who suggested adding a wishing well here at the garden. Coins are collected annually and donated to charity. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah.
Looks like a dragon, so we painted a dragon. With teeth and eyes and paint. This is a bed of Agapanthus, Lily of the Nile. Blooms in August into September. Hopscotch, kids play.
Oh, interesting. Well, right, guys, for those of you who remember hopscotch, look at this. All right, so what is this one?
That's the queen up there, the big grommet there. That's a bloom that's got seeds now.
Okay.
This is a red alamander, no blooms. And the coleus again,
Coleus, good.
Really large coleus. Another, that's the green version of the Selaginella fern. You saw the purple version of that. Philodendron here, the red philodendron. Aki, coconut, tuna, Japanese irises. They have gone out of bloom now because these are, their blooming time is in August, September. So they've all dried up now. A bridal orchid. And it blooms, all the leaves come off and it's just covered in flowers. So it looks like a bride's bouquet.
Nice.
Another angel's trumpet, carpet flower. Right there, some wild, some more cosmos, pink one there. That's another spectacular view.
Oh, yeah, man. Wonderful.
It's white shrimp. That's where. See a couple of them right there.
Okay, okay.
See those white little things?
Yes,
pushing up?
yes, yes.
Those are shrimp. Comes in white, orange, yellow, rust red. Yeah.
This is an orange tree.
This is a tangerine.
Tangerine.
Tangerine, yes. And it bears fruit. We have had fruit out there.
Good.
A bougainvillea that bears two different colors, white and pink. Sample of the world's largest orchid, Gametophyllum speciosum. Just a baby this.
Okay.
Look at all these shoelace ferns, wild ferns. Look at them growing out of the walls over there. So the ferns are what, and the roots of plants are what hold these things together. And held everything together.
Oh, beautiful.
You know, without the cement, you know.
Yes, yes.
Over the years, things have just grown in. This is a staghorn fern. Look at it. Mango tree. Beautiful bromeliad here.
Jamaican toadie. I see a picture here.
We usually have the birds, some of our birds painted on the rocks, on the stones there. But as I said, it's just two of us that does the painting, myself and my son.
Yes.
And we can hardly find time to even do
I figure.
the work that we want. That's a lot to
I figure.
So it's kind of gonna have to make some time and do it. But
Yes, yes. Beautiful.
wonderful.
All right, so now we're at the gallery, guys.
This
The
is
gallery.
my wife's work.
Yeah, so it's your product is a garden and gallery.
Yes, a gallery and a garden tour.
Yes.
Goes together.
Good.
This is some of my wife's work. We call these mosaics like a mosaic.
Yes, yes.
But mosaics because they're made from eggshell.
Oh,
This is an unfinished piece.
this one here.
Yeah, she hasn't finished that one quite yet, so it's not painted. But they're made from eggshell. You see some of the pieces are eggshell. She's still there to work on. Inside the gallery is my work and our sons. You see his name Ayale. I am Ras Natango.
Yeah.
And the medium is acrylic. And this area has some of our florals and our birds over here. And a few still life pieces. This is a scene from the gate, the sunrise at the gate. We live upstairs. And then through here we have our cultural side, where we depict our people, places, landscapes, seascapes, things from my imagination, things from childhood memories, things from just real life, and you know.
Yes.
The only piece not for sale is that piece of my wife, which I did for her anniversary some 4 years ago.
Nice.
So that's hers, but everything else is on sale. We don't sell them as they are. We didn't frame them either because most of our buyers are foreigners.
Yes.
So we take them off this display bars, the stretcher bars, roll it, comes a certificate of authenticity, and they're able to take it taped up nicely
Yes.
in their hand.
Yes, yes.
You see?
Yeah, because oh yes, it make it easier for travel.
Easier for travel, so
Yeah.
we don't put any, and then it gives you the chance to put your frame around it that
Yes.
matches your decor.
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
that's what we've done.
yes.
Just display them. So these are just on display. All these you see, and as I said, my work and our son's work. You see, Ahhh, his name. These are this piece is his. That's mine. That's mine. This is mine. Few pieces, I call that my mermaids over there. We have a lot of rainbows in the valley here, so I've done a few pieces of rainbows and stuff.
Yes, nice, nice. And you have a gift shop over here?
In here we have a gift shop, and everything you see here we make them ourselves. We don't go for a fair to our guests.
Yeah.
So we decided to make everything ourselves.
Everything authentic.
So it's authentic, original pieces of paintings of hummingbirds. The wood pieces are the only thing we don't make on property. Those are made by two young men in the community. But all the jewelry, the river stones, we hand paint them ourselves. The bags, tote bags, my wife makes them and we hand paint on them. My son does paintings on them, see? Have them in canvas and on burlap, and they are color fast, doesn't run or bleed, anything. She's also a published author. She wrote her autobiography, and we have copies of her book on sale, Unearthing the Diamond.
Nice.
These are little purses with original paintings on them in canvas. Yes. See? And turtles made out of cedar and mahogany. A parrot, some outdoor placemats, placemat sets. They are hand painted. Cushions are hand painted. Some black and whites. That are I do, and I just put them in frames to show what you can do, but the prints are sold there. Some new style of art that my wife and I have been playing with.
What do you
pour. We've been playing around with it, trying it out, you know, so you get some beautiful abstract patterns. So this is some of the pieces that we have experimented so far. So some of her work, she does these. So we are doing everything, you know, doing that. Some fish, stingray, and so on, you know, cedar. Yeah. So it's a genuine handmade Jamaican gift. Yeah. And we also look at these. This tells you the problem now. We have run out of these pieces. These are made by our son, but we can't get any access to beaches to get any shells.
Oh Lord!
They all have a hotel on them.
I figure.
And now we don't even have access to it.
This is so beautiful. You know?
Yes. Our son came up with the idea of putting them together. We had, look, even the lobster. We had lobsters, seahorses, turtles. We have sold out. And we can't replace them. Look, it even made the newspaper. Look at that. You know, a couple of years ago, a reporter came and saw it and thought it was so unusual to have sea creatures made out of the seashells. So.
Oh, you have of course you have a certificate of excellence here, and you have every year almost.
2030, yes,
every year.
Since 2011, I think we have won it pretty much consecutively.
Very good.
Do serve lunch, but it's not to order. It's not a restaurant. So if our guests come and they want to spend some time and they feel like they want to have something to eat,
you'll prepare something.
And then we prepare.
Wonderful.
So by the time you come from the tour, the food is hot and ready.
Bird feeders. Good. So they put the bird seed here, and also over here is another one. Okay. And what kind of birds do you attract here? 20 of Jamaica.
20 of Jamaica's 28.
Wow.
You can sit on that porch any day of the week and you'll see Oreos come right on this white fence to feed, because we have banana and nectar, and we have oranges there. My wife posts pictures pretty much daily of the birds that every weekend of the birds that we sit and watch. It's an excellent bird watching station right there. We see even migratory birds, the blue warbler from Canada, the Christmas bird from North America, the ovenbird from North America. They all come in right in this area because we have the hummingbird feeders, and we put out seeds and we put fruits right up there.
Awesome. Guys, come. It's okay, boy. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, that's lovely. Hey guys, I'm with Ras Natango here at Ras Natango.
Ras Natango.
Ras Natango.
Gallery.
The man himself, he just did a little tour of the property a while ago, and so I have him here to ask a few questions. This is an amazing property for nature, for relaxation. This is the place to be. It's in the hills of St. James, a place called Camrose. And so I'm with him now to ask him a few questions, including first, Mr. Again, nice. Thank you for your time, sir. Appreciate it. What inspired you, Mr. Ras Natango?
Well, we never had an intention of having a business out of this. This was just a garden for my wife. And my wife inspired me to give her a place to plant her flowers. She grew up on a farm, so she wanted to have a garden. And this, when I purchased it, turned out to be a cliff.
Wow.
So we put terraces in, so we were able to traverse the land. Didn't find much soil, so we started composting to make our own soil. 90% of the stuff you see, except for the large cedar trees and so on, are growing out of compost that we started because we planted 90% of the stuff that you see there.
Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Basically making something out of nothing, because I mean, if it's just cliffs.
It was a cliff.
Yeah.
Which you see
yes.
the back wall.
Yes.
And I painted a few things on.
Yes. So how long ago have you been providing tours and stuff?
We actually opened the gallery in 2008, and then after much, requests and clamor from a few guests we were getting to come up, who would ask if they could go for a walk while they waited. Sometimes the drivers would leave them, so they'd have time to see the birds, see the pathways, and ask, can we go for a walk while we wait? So we had no problem with that. We allowed them, but everybody came back asking us, why haven't we made something of it? Why didn't we get a tour?
Wow.
Why haven't we done something?
Wow.
They described it in so many positive ways that pretty soon, my wife decided maybe we should include the garden. So in 2009, we decided to add the garden to it to become a garden tour.
So it's an art and garden.
So yes.
Awesome. And you have been winning TripAdvisor's Certificate of Excellence and stuff ever since.
We've been blessed to have been getting some really great rewards. This place, I built this place, with a lot of love in my heart, and it still retains a lot of love that I have for it. So it's a place that people come and feel reconnected, get reconnected to nature.
Here's another one guy. Is this the same one?
No, this is probably Rocky.
Rocky is feeding.
If you put your finger out, you will.
Oh, nice. This is nature at its best, guys. Look at this. We're just talking, and the bird comes. This is a Dr. Bird?
Yeah, it's our national bird.
Our national bird. Beautiful. Rocky, that's Rocky.
That's Rocky.
Rocky.
There's Rocky, there's Shine up there.
Yeah.
And then there's Rudy, whose territory is over there.
Rudy
is the alpha hummingbird. This is Shine coming to feed now.
Yeah.
He's right behind you there.
Yes. Ooh. Nice.
They're not afraid. They interact very well with our guests.
Nice.
And so it gives our guests a thrill to have this.
Yes. How did you get them to do this?
We didn't. They trained us.
Really?
We didn't do anything for them. They decided when they wanted to do it. We actually started feeding them in 2000 after the hurricane in 2004. And the morning after, we lost quite a number of them because the flowers had perished. A few flowers that were out in the garden had perished, so they couldn't feed. So they were just flying up off the ground, falling down, dying.
Whoa.
And my wife picked up a small one, very small one, made a makeshift little feeder bottle, put some strawberry syrup is all we had, put in it with water, and he fed. You could see for the first time that they had this little tongue like a little thread that he was just feeding. He survived. He was the first one, and he survived. We called him Pretty Boy Floyd because he loved grooming himself after he, grew his feathers and his tail. He was the dominant bird, the alpha bird, for quite a number of years, and most of these are his offspring.
Oh, lovely. Hey, man, and your guests, feedback from them, or typically what do they say?
Well, Marcy, could you do me a favor? I'm just passing the guest book because I haven't even read the comment at these. folks that just left here.
Yeah.
Right. So a lot of the reviews are what has given us the certificates of excellence on TripAdvisor.
Yeah.
From what our guests have had to say about the place.
Yes. Yeah.
And there are those who have actually written in our book. You know, this is probably our 5th guest book that we have now. You know, we've filled 4 already. This is a little female. Look at her. This is Nira.
Yeah.
Hi, Nira. She wants to feed. Come, Nira, come.
How do you know the difference, Ras?
We just know them.
Well, between the male and the female.
Oh, the female has no. Her breast is white.
Yeah.
And she doesn't have a tail.
Okay.
And her beak is also black.
Okay.
Not red. They don't have red beak.
Okay.
Okay, look, this is just what these are the folks that just left here. Robert and Barbara.
Thank you for sharing your history and beautiful gardens.
Right. Look, these are yesterday's.
Yeah, here is a good place to calm down and settle into myself. My vision of paradise. These are actually real reviews, guys.
These are written
People
by
who were here yesterday and the day before. I could feel my roots and wings here in that beautiful garden. Thank you so much, Eva. And this looks like somebody from Germany.
All over the world.
Germany.
We have Russians. We have people all the way from. We have people from Australia. We have Africa. We have people all over.
Wonderful. The question I have for you, you call. Oh, here's another
Rudy.
Rudy
And Rocky stop fighting.
All right, territory.
They are territorial. So
all right.
chase each other about. See?
Yes. The name of the business is Ras Natango.
Yes.
You know the obvious question. Why?
Because when we decided to go for opening it up into a business, I didn't really want my name just to be the name standing out.
Yes.
Ras Natango Gallery. I'm not a person who runs after fame or anything like that.
Yeah.
So I tend to be a little more quiet.
Yeah.
But my wife said, no, but you're the artist, so people are coming to see your gallery. People want to see your name there.
Yes.
So I said I still want something in front of it, something that embodies the essence of the garden. This is when we decided to add the garden.
Here I say the now.
Well, this is it.
Yes.
We usually do, you drive out, you go downtown, you do your business, and you come back. Downtown is 5 degrees hotter. Yeah. It's chaotic. It's quite, you're anxious to get out of the misery downtown. So we would come home, drive up to the gate, and the moment we get to the gate, you kind of sigh breathe a breath of relief that you're home. Yeah. And when we started looking around for the name, one Saturday morning, we drove out downtown, did shopping, came back, I drove up to the gate, and we both just looked at each other and went, We were so happy to be home out of all of that chaos.
Beautiful.
And I just said to her, that's the name. She said, name of what? I said, the name of our business. She said, who names our business? And I said, we do. So we call
it's different, I'm telling you.
Ras Natango.
And I think it embodies
the feel and the
nature and the relaxation.
Yes, exactly. Yes. We say come and exhale here.
Yes.
This is part of it. You just come and just kick back and exhale. Just relax. Enjoy Mother Nature. Enjoy the cool breeze, the view, the food if you like, the samples and so on.
Wonderful. How can people contact you if they want to get in touch with you? A lot of people, my viewers right now, somebody's asking.
Website.
Yeah, how do you? Yes.
Ras Natango, www.ahhh.com.
Okay, great.
Or you commit my wife's email address is tamika@ahhh.rasnatango.com.
Okay, great. Same domain. Okay, beautiful. I have a question that
your business card.
All this information, guys, will be in the description below as well. My favorite question, my brother.
Yes.
What makes Jamaica special in your mind?
In my mind?
Yes.
The people.
The people. Well, guys, here you go. Ras Natango from Ras Natango. So nice meeting you again, my brother. Thank you for having me. All the best. I wish you well and the family. And I wish that this thing will just balloon into something even bigger and better. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. Rocky, come. Go Rudy, go Rudy, go Rudy. This is beautiful, guys. Yeah. Oh, so I need to put the finger here.
Yeah, so you need to put the finger out so you can
Okay.
you have to just
So like this, something like this.
yes.
This is beautiful. My friend, the beautiful Ras Natango in the hills of St. James. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up or hit that like button, and I'd love to hear from you. Use the comment section below to share your comments. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you also hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all my latest videos. And while you go, before you go, make sure you share this with someone who needs to know about this beautiful place here in Jamaica. Thank you.